Want to move your Chrome tabs from the top of your screen to the side? Here is how to easily enable vertical tabs in Google Chrome. First, open Chrome and click the address bar at the top. Clear out whatever URL is currently there, type in Chrome, flags, and hit enter. Next, click the search bar at the top of the flags page and type in vertical. Look for the vertical tabs, flag, in the search results. Click the drop-down menu next to it which currently says default and select enabled. Now, click the Relaunch button in the bottom right corner of your screen to restart Chrome. Once Chrome reopens, simply right-click anywhere on your top tab bar or on a blank space next to your tabs. Select Show Tabs vertically from the menu, and your tabs will immediately shift to the left sidebar. If you found this quick guide helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips.